All right, we're here with Miss Mary, and Miss Mary, what did you have done?
I had a knee replacement.
Okay, did we replace all the knee or just part of it?
Part of it.
Part of it. And how many years young are you?
90.
90 years young, great. And you were having some pain in that knee before surgery?
Absolutely.
Every day of the week?
Every day and all time.
How are you doing now?
I haven't had any pain at all.
Great. And you're walking on it?
I am.
Okay. What's that you got in your hand there?
Oh, let me show you.
Show everybody. Got a shirt for Miss Mary here. And show them the front. Got the joint replacement logo here at AFC. So that looks great. You gonna wear that around town?
I am.
Good, good. We're gonna do a little walking in just a second.
I'm gonna go shopping with it.
That's right. That's right.
Let's walk this way.
Perfect.
We just give it to track our patients. So we're just waiting on his copay.
Look how good you're looking.
Well, he's still on
Oh,
freedom
thank
pass
you.
for one, and for two, they put
All right.